Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. Today I am going to teach you past continuous tense, step by step. What is past continuous tense? We use this tense to describe actions that were happening at a specific moment in the past. Structure: affirmative. Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. Example: he was reading a book. Negative. Subject plus was or were not plus verb plus ing. Example: they were not playing football. Interrogative. Was or were plus subject plus verb plus ing. Example: were you sleeping at 10 p.m.? Examples: I was watching TV when she called. They were playing cricket in the field. She wasn't listening to music. Was he driving at that time? When do we use it? Number 1. To describe background actions. The birds were singing while I was studying. Number 2. Interrupted action in the past. He was sleeping when the phone rang. Mistake alert. Wrong. They was playing. Right. They were playing. Practice sentence. I was talking to my friend. Were you studying last night? She was not working on Sunday. We were having dinner at 9 p.m. Bonus tip. Use time reference like at 5 p.m., while, when, that time. Great things take time. Learning English in a journey. You are doing amazing. Just keep going. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English with M I Shah. Your journey to Fluent English start here. Thank you very much.